The COVID-19 pandemic is challenging us in many ways we could never have imagined, from unprecedented amounts of family time to homeschooling to working remotely or not working at all. Now, as we have vaccines, many people continue to have concerns and doubts about COVID-19 vaccines. Assalamu alaikum, this is Dr. Syeda Umul Khair. As there is ongoing debate about COVID-19 vaccines, today I would like to talk about the ingredients of so-called vaccines in common. As we all know, vaccine ingredients are safe and effective. Let me explain in detail about each ingredient and purpose they serve. For example, some ingredients help provide immunity, some ingredients help keep the vaccine safe and long-lasting, and some ingredients are used during the process of the making of the vaccine. Let's discuss one by one ingredients which provide immunity. As we know, vaccines are made of dead or modified disease-causing germ in an inactive form which still trigger our immune response. These are called antigens. In COVID-19, the COVID-19 messenger RNA vaccine contains mRNA, that is code or blueprint for the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. The vaccinated person's dendritic cells use the blueprint to make the spike protein, hence the immunity is produced. To add up or lift up the effect of the antigen, certain substances are added which are called adjuvant. For example, aluminium. Next is substances which keep the vaccine safe and long-lasting. They are preservatives and stabilizers. Preservatives like Thimerosol protect the vaccine from outside bacteria or fungus. Single-dose vials does not contain preservatives. Preservatives are usually present in the vials which have more than one dose. Stabilizers. Stabilizers like sugar or gelatin help the active ingredients in the vaccine continue to work while the vaccine is made, stored, and moved. The next part is more interesting. Ingredients used during the production of the vaccine. These ingredients have no role after the production of the vaccine, so they are removed. Only a tiny amount is left in the final product, which is not harmful. The process of vaccine making is first inactivation of the germ which causes the disease. For this, formaldehyde is used, and after inactivation, then they do the culture in which the eggs are used to avoid the bacterial infection during the making process of the vaccine. They add antibiotics like neomycin and gentamicin and streptomycin. These are aminoglycosides. Let's see the common questions about the vaccine ingredients. Can vaccines with thimerosal cause mercury poisoning? Can people who are allergic to antibiotics get vaccinated? Can people with egg allergies get vaccinated? Is the formaldehyde in the vaccines dangerous? Is aluminium used in some vaccines dangerous? Let's see the logical answers behind these questions. Can vaccine with thimerosal cause mercury poisoning? No. Thimerosal has different form of mercury, that is ethyl mercury. It is safe to use ethyl mercury in vaccines because it is less likely to build up any kind of mercury poisoning. Usually the mercury poisoning is seen with methyl mercury. Still, the thimerosal which is used is very small amounts, so it is less likely to cause any kind of mercury poisoning. Can people who are allergic to antibiotics get vaccinated? Yes, because most likely people are allergic to penicillins, which are not added in the vaccines. The antibiotics used in the vaccine production are mostly aminoglycosides. So, people who are allergic to penicillins can get vaccinated. Still, it is good to inform the health practitioner before you get vaccinated. Is the aluminium used in some vaccines dangerous? No. The aluminium which is used in these vaccines is in very small amounts, and studies have been done that they are safe and can be used in vaccines. Can people with egg allergies get vaccinated? Yes. Yes, people can get vaccinated who have egg allergies, and there is no longer waiting for 30 minutes after getting the vaccine. Mm, but still, people who have severe egg allergies should be vaccinated in a medical setting, which has health professionals who can manage such severe allergic conditions. Is the formaldehyde used in some vaccines dangerous? No, because the final product which we take as vaccine contains very small amount of the formaldehyde. In fact, there is more amount of formaldehyde naturally present in our bodies, so it is not at all harmful. Vaccines don't just protect us, they also protect the people around us. So get vaccinated and stay safe. Thank you very much.